Hello people, my name is Kemafrik and you're welcome to Kemafrik. Now if you're using a manual sewing machine, I've got good news for you. You can easily supply power to your sewing machine by attaching an electric motor. This will power your machine so you can pedal by just pressing on the foot of your motor without needing to manually pedal your machine. This reduces noise, it can make your work faster as well. So we have this piece to work with, this fastening with a kind of support, and the belt that comes with your sewing machine motor. So I'll just go ahead and attach it so you can do same for yourself, so you won't need to pedal manually any longer. Most manual sewing machine head comes with a hole at the side of the machine, just below the hand wheel, and I assume it was created there so you can fix your sewing machine motor. So you pick the main piece of the motor and attach the hole at the side to this piece created on the head. But before doing that, if you've been using the pedal, you have to pull out your thread from below your machine and at the side of the hand wheel. Next, you pick up the fastening, that's a screw that comes in the pack. When you get your sewing machine motor, it comes with a pack and that has this screw already in it with a support for the screw. So you place the support into the screw and you screw it into that hole on your sewing machine head. So you don't need to make it too tight yet. You pick your belt, that's the sewing machine motor belt, which also comes in the pack when you get the motor, and you place it onto the lower part of your hand wheel, drag it upward just as it's shown, and you attach it also to the wheel on the motor. So after doing this, you can then screw properly. Be sure that the belt is tight. So next, you pick up your pedal, that's the presser foot that comes with your motor. Attached to it is this cord. The cord has 3 holes in it, so you can place the hole on the 3 ports attached to the motor. So this cord goes into the port on your sewing machine motor. So just go right there and attach it like so. So next, you place your presser foot down and attach the plug to a power supply, and we're ready to try out our sewing machine motor. So I've plugged my cord into a power supply. So I'm just going to see how this works. So you first turn your balance, and you can see, and then help make your work start. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you very much and hope to see you next time. Thank you.